Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be so exciting. It has finally come the time for my group's 2-week vacation. We're going to 10 countries in a little over 14 days. It's gonna be crazy. Probably a little bit stressful, but super fun. I'm super excited. It's Friday, June 28th. We are leaving camp in about an hour. And my face is a little bit red because we were just hanging out with the kids, and I'm super sad to leave these group of kids. They've been awesome and definitely my favorite so far, and it's just really sad to spend so much time with them for 2 weeks and then to never see them again. But yeah, I'm just about to shower and change and then head down to dinner and then we leave. So I'm super proud of myself though. I didn't really know if I could do it, but I actually fit quite a lot of stuff in there. And yeah, I have bus tickets, water bottles, shoes. That's what I'm gonna wear to the airport. I'm gonna fix my toenail polish, and then I have my fanny pack. I'm not entirely sure how long this video will be or like what cities it will be since we're going to so many. I'll probably have like 2 or 3 videos throughout the next 2 weeks. But obviously like I'm not bringing my laptop, so I won't be uploading them while I'm out there, so this is delayed a couple weeks. But yeah, I'm just so excited. I just remember planning this months ago and we were like, oh, that's so far away, and now it's here, and it's crazy how fast the time is going by. We only have 34 days left. Well, that says 37, should say 34. Which is super sad, but yeah, it's just been amazing here. And I just love it so much, and I'm so sad to leave my kids tonight, but we're gonna have so much fun on our vacation, so. Alright, so we made it to Milan. It is 7:21 a.m. We were in the airport all night. It wasn't the most comfortable, but it worked out, and here we are in front of the main Duomo cathedral thing. It's so pretty here. Been here for about an hour and we've just been walking around. We saw a church and then this cathedral, and I think we're gonna go to McDonald's and get breakfast because we're all super hungry. So we made it to Switzerland officially. It's 8:15 p.m. We have been here for about 2 hours. We got dinner. We were gonna get Subway because it was right close to where we got off the bus, but it was so expensive, so we instead went to the grocery store and we bought like buns and cheese and tomatoes and bananas and stuff like that, and just like had a little picnic, and it worked out really well. And now we just took a bus to the train station, taking a train to our hostel. Yeah, the train should only take like 30 minutes, I think, so we'll be there before 9, and then our hostel has a pool, so I think we're just gonna swim for like an hour and then shower and go to bed because we're all super tired. It's been a really long day, but a really good day. Switzerland is beautiful. As you guys saw from the clips on the bus, we like every hour, every second, we were just like, oh my gosh, this is incredible. I can't believe like this is real. Biggest mountains I've ever seen. It's just so pretty. And then this train station is so cute too. Everything about Switzerland is just so cute and I love it. And look up there, you can kind of see it. I'm not sure if it's a glacier, but it's definitely white up there. Good morning from Switzerland. We are here in Lauterbrunnen. This is the view from our hostel. It's so beautiful. It's like 60 degrees out right now. The temperature's perfect. I just can't believe this is real. We're about to head out to the grocery store to get breakfast. Then we're also gonna get sandwich stuff like we got last night for lunch today. I think we're just gonna walk around, explore Lauterbrunnen, maybe do a hike. There's like a little step hike thing up to behind a waterfall, which I think would be really fun. And then I think we're gonna hang out at the pool later today. It's actually like 5 francs to get into, which is a little over $5. So we didn't do it last night. But yeah, I think we're gonna do it today just because it's supposed to be hot again. And yeah, it's just amazing. It's so beautiful. This might be the prettiest country that I've been to aside from Iceland. Iceland's just like out of this world, whereas like I feel like Switzerland fits in this world, if that makes sense. But it's just, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy we decided to come here. So we made it to the top of the hike. It was definitely very strenuous, very difficult. We think it's just because like the altitude is different than what we're used to, but check out this view. It's absolutely beautiful. It's just beautiful. And in Cincinnati there aren't mountains, and in Kyiv there aren't mountains, so it's just awesome to be among the mountains, and it's just so quiet and peaceful. Like you can hear the birds chirping, there's like nobody around. Waterfalls, snow, oh, I love it. I'm so happy. So happy. Good morning. It is our last day in Switzerland. We are leaving to head back to Milan to catch a flight to Paris later tonight. I think our bus is at like 6:45, so we got up earlier this morning. It's about 8 a.m. We're about to head to the grocery store to buy food for breakfast. We're all super hungry. And then I think we're just gonna hang out in Lauterbrunnen for a couple hours. It's supposed to rain today, which kind of stinks because we have to carry all of our stuff all the time. But then I think we're gonna head back into Interlaken and hang out a little while until our bus. Also, here's a tour of our hostel. We have a room all to ourselves. There's 6 of us. So bunk, bunk, bunk. And that's my top bunk. I'm about to start packing up because we have to check out in about an hour, so to get everything back into my little backpack. Alright, so we made it to Interlaken. We are at this gorgeous lake that overlooks the mountains. We just stopped at the grocery store, we got lunch again, we split sandwiches, stuff like that. And this is our view. It's absolutely incredible. Alright, so we made it to Paris. We are at Palais Royal. We just got here. We took the bus and then the metro. I came here a year and a half ago with my mom, and I just think it's so cute and fun. Here's Olivia. Olivia, say hi. Hello. And then we're gonna go walk through the garden in a minute. But the weather is perfect. It's like what, 78 degrees and sunny, and it's so nice. We love it. made it to Copenhagen. We just got breakfast at Aldi. We have lots of yummy food and we're sitting in the Royal Garden. Alright, so we are doing a boat tour. We're on a cool boat. Everyone's here. We're right here in the main area, Nyhavn or Nyhavn something. And we're gonna tour the canals of Copenhagen. Alright, we are back in our hostel for the night and we have ice cream. This is called Funky American Ice Cream. We got chocolate brownie. Olivia and I are gonna dig in. Alright, day 2 and last day in Copenhagen. We are here on the main canal eating breakfast. We have bread and donuts and bananas and hot chocolate. Woohoo!